The business world is changing. We are entering a new era, the era of the thought factory. This is a world where artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic concept, but a powerful tool reshaping industries. From consulting to manufacturing, learning to brand experience, AI is revolutionizing how we work and do business. Companies like Thought Factory are leading this charge, guiding businesses to harness the power of AI and transform their operations. The impact of AI is undeniable. It's about more than just automation. AI is about augmenting human intelligence, driving efficiency, and unlocking new levels of productivity. Think of it as building an industrial brain, a network of interconnected systems that can analyze data, make decisions, and learn from experience, much like the human brain. This is the future that companies like Thought Factory are building, a future where businesses can achieve more than they ever thought possible. The key to unlocking this future lies in understanding the potential of AI and integrating it strategically into existing business models. This is where the real challenge lies, and it's a challenge that Thought Factory is well equipped to help businesses overcome. In the realm of business consulting, AI is ushering in a new era of data-driven decision-making. Consulting firms like Thought Factory are at the forefront of this revolution, leveraging AI to provide clients with deeper insights, more accurate predictions, and ultimately, more effective strategies.
Imagine a world where consultants can analyze massive datasets in real time, identifying patterns and trends that would be impossible for humans to spot. This is the power of AI-driven consulting. By harnessing the power of machine learning algorithms, consultants can now develop highly personalized solutions tailored to each client's unique needs and challenges.
This shift towards AI-powered consulting is not just about improving efficiency, it's about fundamentally changing the way businesses approach strategy. With AI, businesses can move beyond intuition and gut feeling, grounding their decisions in data and evidence. This leads to more informed choices, reduced risk, and ultimately greater success. The manufacturing industry is undergoing a profound transformation, driven by the convergence of AI and other advanced technologies. This new paradigm, often referred to as smart manufacturing or Industry 4.0, is characterized by the integration of intelligent systems throughout the entire production process.
At the